Hey everyone, I'm your host, Jeff Rose from Good Financial Sense, and I'm coming to you live from New York City today with a very exciting announcement from John Hancock about health, financial health, but also mind and body health. Over the next 25 minutes or so, we'll be talking to experts about an innovative new program from John Hancock that's going to make a huge impact on two things that matter to everyone, your health and a secure financial future. Now, when we talk about great health, we're not just talking about our bodies. When we're at our healthiest, it's because we're taking care of our minds and our wallets too. Now, let's face it, being healthy has a positive impact on everything we do. It affects our energy, our outlook on life, how well we sleep, and ultimately, how long we live. Now, personally, two of the biggest factors that determine my health include the relationship I have with my wife and my three crazy boys. And let me tell you, they are crazy. But it also has to do with my overall physical fitness. Now, I'm guessing you all can relate to how challenging it could be to try to live a healthier life. We're all so busy, but we all know that we can do more. And that could be working out more frequently, keeping up with annual health screenings, or maybe just committing to eating better. But I'm also willing to bet that you know how great it feels when you start to see progress and positive change. And when you're recognized and rewarded for those improvements you're making, like when your wife happens to finally notice that you've lost a couple pounds, which my wife did in the bathroom the other morning, and I was like, babe, keep the compliments coming. I love hearing this stuff. So when that happens, you only want to keep it working. You only want to keep working at it, right? You start to feel more in control and you feel invincible. Now, with that in mind, let's learn more about what John Hancock is up to by welcoming Mike Dowdy, President and General Manager at John Hancock Insurance, and Tal Gilbert, Senior Vice President of Marketing Innovation at Vitality Group.
Hey,
Welcome to the show, guys.
Thanks. Hi, Jeff. Thank you.
Have a seat. All right, Mike, I know we got some exciting news, so tell us why we're here.
Sure. Well, you were just talking about the power of being rewarded for positive change and the power of seeing your progress. And those ideas got us at John Hancock thinking, you know, what if we took those basic principles and applied them to life insurance? What kind of a difference could we make if we encourage people to live better and live a healthier life? And better yet, what if we could reward people for those small steps that they're taking and empower them to kind of harness that momentum to make a platform for lasting personal change? That's pretty powerful stuff, right?
Yeah.
You know, John Hancock's been around for 150 years, and we've always been about protecting individuals and helping them to secure their future. So this notion of helping people live a healthier life really fits really nicely into that mission. And that's why I'm very excited to announce today that we are introducing a whole new approach to life insurance that rewards and recognizes people for healthy living. It's called John Hancock Insurance with Vitality, and basically it rewards you for those small steps you take every day to live a healthier life, like walking a few extra blocks, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, getting a flu shot, going to the doctor regularly, those little things that most Americans are frankly doing on a daily basis. You know, 53% of American families will tell you that they either don't have enough life insurance or they have no life insurance whatsoever. And only 10% say that they actually plan to buy some in the next 12 months. We're really hoping that this new program, this new approach, can be the motivation they need to finally make that choice. Ultimately, we want to change the way people think about life insurance. And we want to do that by giving individuals the opportunity and the power to significantly lower their insurance premiums and along the way get great discounts and rewards simply by living a healthy life.
Mike, well, this sounds great. It sounds like you're really putting the life back in life insurance.
That's what we're trying to do.
Now, tell us a little bit more about this partnership with John Hancock on Vitality.
Sure, Jeff. So it's an exclusive partnership between John Hancock, who obviously one of the most trusted and iconic brands in life insurance, and Vitality. Vitality is the global leader in integrating life insurance with wellness. And in the US, we've also been a pioneer of the employer wellness market. So for a number of years, we've been working with some of the top insurers around the world to really introduce a much more dynamic, personalized form of life insurance that actually rewards people for healthy living. It's something that makes sense for us as an insurer and it makes sense for our customers. So we're extremely excited and privileged to be working with John Hancock. We think they're the perfect partner to introduce an approach like this to the US.
And you know, here in the US, I'd say the whole industry, and certainly us at John Hancock, have been trying to find a way to make life insurance more relevant to today's consumers. And I think John Hancock Life Insurance with Vitality, it finally lets people invest in their future and their health. You can secure your family's financial well-being, but you can also start on the road to a longer, healthier life. We think it's a huge breakthrough for our industry, and we're really proud to be at the forefront of it.
All right, guys, this sounds really exciting. All right, for those of you watching online, we want to take advantage of having Mike and Tal right here. So shoot your questions anytime during this broadcast. Just go to Twitter and use the hashtag 5MoreNow. Now that's the number 5MoreNow, and respond throughout the show. I can't wait to talk more about this program, but first, let's check out a short feature that gives a little bit more of a background on John Hancock Life Insurance with Vitality.
At John Hancock, we think life insurance should reward you for living. That's why we're taking a whole new approach to life insurance. We've partnered with Vitality, a leader in interactive, personalized wellness programs, to create a program that rewards your healthy life. Participating is fun and easy. Just keep doing the things you're already doing to stay healthy or be inspired to do even more, and receive ongoing rewards and premium savings along the way. After your policy is issued, you'll take a Vitality Health Review online to see how your health stacks up relative to your age. Then you'll get personalized Vitality Health goals for the year, simple tips to help you reach them, and convenient, easy-to-use tools including a free Fitbit to keep track of your healthy activities. Then you can start earning Vitality points for things you may already be doing to stay healthy, like walking, exercising, and getting regular checkups. You can also take short online courses on a range of healthy living topics. The more you do, the more Vitality points you'll earn, and the more points you earn, the higher your status becomes. With each status level you reach, you can qualify for additional hotel, travel, and shopping rewards. Most importantly, you'll also be rewarded for your efforts with premium savings in the next policy year based on the Vitality status level you achieved. For the first time ever, your life insurance can save you money and reward you for living a longer and healthier life.
All right, welcome back. For those of you just joining us, I'm Jeff Rose from Good Financial Sense, and we're coming to you live from New York City. I'm joined by Mike Dowdy from John Hancock and Tal Gilbert from Vitality Group. Welcome back, guys.
Thanks.
As a reminder, we're taking all of your questions about this new product and partnership with the hashtag 5MoreNow from reading them right from this iPad. So send us your questions. Now, guys, we've watched all this great overview on this new product and this partnership with Vitality, and I'm encouraging all these people to use the hashtag 5MoreNow. But I have to ask the question, what exactly is 5MoreNow? What does that really mean?
Well, it's a great question. You know, it's a little known fact that Americans, on average, are 5 years older than their actual age when you look at a set of health and wellness factors. We call it their vitality age. And the difference between your vitality age and your real age is you can actually reduce or improve your vitality age by making pretty simple improvements to your diet, to your exercise, and to other lifestyle choices. The key to getting that vitality age back down sort of closer to your real age is just to do small steps. So for example, taking 5 minutes away from your desk every day to stretch, or choosing to walk or exercise 5 more days in a month, or getting 5 more servings of fruits and vegetables. We know all these little things add up to a longer, healthier life. And John Hancock and Vitality are showing people how with just a few of these healthy choices, they can have 5 more now. You know, we just did a survey of Gen Xers and baby boomers, and virtually everybody, I think it was 94% of respondents, said they could be doing more to improve their health. And the good news is most of them know what they need to do. More than half said in the past 12 months they've already started to eat more nutritious meals. But only about a third of them are exercising regularly. So we just want people to recognize that they're in control, and they can get 5 more now simply by choosing to improve their quality of life and peace of mind today.
That sounds great, Mike. So tell us how this new product is going to reward people for living healthier.
Sure, so it's really straightforward. For anyone who's joining the program, the first thing they do is they take an online health review. It's a short online questionnaire which will give them their vitality age and also give them personal tips on their health and help them to set goals to improve. Once they've done that, everyone will get a free Fitbit. That's an activity tracker that'll help them keep track of how active they're being. And they can start to earn vitality points for doing the things they're doing every day to stay healthy, whether that's going for a walk, maybe a regular health check, even staying tobacco-free. And then the more vitality points they earn over the year, the higher their vitality status, and the higher their status, the more rewards they can unlock.
And the thing that I'd like everyone to realize is John Hancock Life Insurance with Vitality is designed so that the more engaged you get with this program, the healthier your lifestyle, the more you can save. Our customers can save significant amounts of money on their annual life insurance premiums, up to 15%. So depending on the type of policy you buy and the amount of life insurance, that could be from anywhere from hundreds of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars over the course of your life. And the other thing I like is that we also celebrate those small successes. So along the way, you have the opportunity to get everything from gift cards to major popular retail brands, half-price hotel stays, discounts on cruise vacations, healthy gear, all kinds of things like that.
Well, this is a terrific background. I mean, this seriously sounds like a true game changer in the life insurance industry. We've been taking some excellent questions on social media, so let's take a few. All right, let's see if I can give you a good one. First question is, how quickly can policyholders earn rewards?
So once our policyholders buy the product, they can start earning rewards and discounts right away for even those small successes I talked about, and they'll see significant savings on their annual premiums after the first year.
Okay. All right, second question, let's see. This one says, what are some of the specific rewards I can earn by signing up for a John Hancock life insurance with Vitality?
Sure, I'll take that, Jeff. So we know that people are wired for instant gratification rather than necessarily the things that have a longer term impact. So what we've done is included a whole lot of rewards that keep you going along the way. So anything from gift cards from Whole Foods, Starbucks, iTunes, savings on healthy gear from REI, all the way through to half-price hotel nights from Hyatt or savings on cruise vacations. The idea is just to give you a much more immediate payoff for all those things you're doing today to improve your health.
Okay. We've got time for one more question. Number 3, how are health-related activities tracked in the program?
Okay. I'll take that one too. We've set it up so that it's really simple for you to do. It's all done automatically, whether it's things you're doing online or using your phone or your Fitbit, so that everything's captured automatically and feeds back to give you your points.
This is great, guys. I mean, keep the questions coming. We got the answers here. Well, guys, all this talk about Vitality Ages and getting 5 more now is actually a perfect segue into our next portion of the show. We've been discussing the many sides of health and wellness. That's physical, emotional, and financial, as well as the importance of being open to the idea of personal transformation and development. Now, as someone who counsels people about their financial wellness for a living and makes both spending time with his family and working out top priorities, I'm ready to be the guinea pig here and give you guys a look into my world. I'll show you the things I'm doing well and areas where I could probably use a little bit of improvement.
Well, we know that everybody has room for improvement. And that's, I think, one of the great things about knowing your vitality age. Even if your workout and wellness routine is pretty solid, it'll help point you in areas where you can still enhance your personal health. As you know, we asked if we could follow you around for a day with our cameras and get more of a complete picture of your physical, emotional, financial health. And you were also a great sport and did the Vitality Age calculator in advance so that we could reveal it on the set today live. And we're going to do that in a few minutes with none other than our actor, Los Angeles NCIS star, and John Hancock spokesperson, Chris O'Donnell.
All right, guys, well, you asked for it. You wanted the film crew to come check out my daily routine and check out the Rose household, so let's take a look. My name is Jeff Rose. I'm a certified financial planner, also a blogger, author, family man, and just loving life. My family is super important. I've got 3 boys, a 7-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 3-year-old, and they are just as crazy as you think boys would be. It keeps us very active, having to keep up with them.
He's a really great dad. He's so hands-on. I love just seeing him with the boys because he's just like in there and playing with them and always offering to help. When I dreamed about having a husband that would also be a good father, he's more than I could have ever hoped for.
My parents didn't have anything saved for me for college education, so I enlisted. Did my initial 6 years to basically help pay for school. Ended up re-enlisting for another 3 just because I loved it. What I didn't expect was in that 3-year enlistment that we got activated, and I ended up doing a 17-month deployment to Iraq back in 2005. So I'm proud to say that I served my country, and it's just something that's always going to be a part of me. I think just being on top of your finances, to me, it just gives you freedom. The number 1 tip that I tell everybody is don't become complacent to your financial situation. I think I'm decently healthy, but I know there's areas of improvement. I lost my father when he was in his mid-60s. Losing him early because he didn't take care of himself, you have to make it a priority. With the job, obviously there is some stress involved, and for me, working out is that stress relief. Typically the workout program I do with my wife, it lasts about 25-30 minutes.
The best part is being able to do it with him because just that accountability factor is huge for me.
Working out is definitely a priority. Eating healthy is a priority. My wife is gracious enough to make some awesome healthy meals. My biggest indulgence is that late night craving. If I'm not eating well, I'm in the pantry raiding Halloween candy from like 3 months ago. I'm basically the type of person where if it's in front of me, I'm going to eat it. So what I try to do is take healthy stuff with me. we all need to be healthier and be more mindful of our health so that we're there for our children and there for our families. I want to be that guy that's older, that can play basketball with his kids and just have fun with them. Family is the number one thing. We always try to spend as much quality time as we can.
Absolutely.
Now, we had a lot of fun shooting that piece, and you're probably wondering how we've never broken a picture frame in our basement playing dodgeball. Well, I'll tell you what, that was true until 2 days after the film crew left and my 7-year-old broke a frame, but it's okay, we're still playing dodgeball, still having fun. If you're just joining us, I'm Jeff Rose from Good Financial Sense, and I'm about to find out my Vitality age stacks up to my real age. I use the Vitality Age Calculator, which is a simple online tool that calculates the impact of certain lifestyle behaviors, like exercise, which could be playing dodgeball in your basement, nutrition, smoking, and alcohol use.
So Jeff, how do you think you did?
Well, first, I just want to tell you that the tool was super easy. I mean, super user-friendly, so anybody could do this in literally minutes to find out their age. That being said, I'm a high achiever, I'm confident. I think I did really good. I'm hoping for 34, 35, if I'm being honest.
Okay, well, so just to remind you, as a nation, on average, our vitality age is about 5 years older than our actual age. So anything better than that, and you're actually doing better than most of us. And your activity, it's great that you find the time to be active with kids. Maybe the Halloween candies were going to count against you a bit, but we know today your actual age is 37. I'm excited to announce that, to reveal your actual vitality age live. We have none other than actor, health enthusiast, and John Hancock spokesperson, Chris O'Donnell.
Hey, how are you? How's it going?
Chris, nice to meet you.
Hi.
How are you?
Nice to see you,
Nice
Chris.
to see you.
Have a seat.
Welcome. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
having me. I've got the envelope here.
Let's see
Drum
it.
roll,
Are
please.
you ready for this?
I think so. I had a good night's sleep, so I think I'm ready.
Your current age is 37.
Correct.
And I am here to tell you that your vitality age is 39.
39.
It's actually
pretty good, right?
It's
It's
pretty
pretty
good.
good.
Yeah.
Average
Yeah.
is 5. It's
Well,
5 over. That's real good.
I was shooting
So-
for a 36, but Tal, how did I do? Tell me.
Yeah, Jeff, so the important thing is that with your vitality age that you can change it. So just by doing a few things to improve your health a little more, maybe finding a bit more time to exercise with the family, cutting back on the Reese's Butterspoons and things, maybe you can bring that age down even further.
And I would say that one thing to keep in mind is this vitality age, it isn't designed to make you feel great. It's designed to actually motivate you to action. So we're pretty harsh graders with it. But I just wanted to say thanks for being a good sport, letting us come into your house and film you and your kids and your family. And keep doing what you're doing, because you're helping people live both better financial and healthy lives.
Thank you. I had a blast. But enough about me. We got the man of the hour here, Chris O'Donnell, father, husband, semi-pro golfer maybe, actor, overall busy guy. So tell us, how is your struggle just with balance with family life, personal life, and just making that a priority?
I like to say I am living in the middle of the rush hour of life, where your personal and your private life connect at the same time. I've got 5 kids from 15 to 7. I work a crazy amount of hours in the TV show, and it's really hard to take care of yourself. But part of having a family is to take care of yourself, make sure you live a long time, make sure you set a good example for your kids. So I'm glad I'm working crazy hours and they see how hard their dad is working, but it's tough to find the time to also take care of yourself and make the right choices.
Yeah, totally relate. 3 kids. I know it's busy, so I'm sure I can only imagine your schedule.
Yeah, well, and I don't have the 5:30 workouts going with my wife in the morning, but I might have to find time for that.
Now, I understand, I found out that my vitality age is 39. I'm 37. We understand that you also took the score.
I
found
did,
out
and
your age.
I'm a little nervous. I'm 44, but I have a feeling mine is not going to be as close. I have a feeling like I'm more like the average American, but we'll see. Like I said, it's a little busy, but
Okay, Chris,
please reveal.
So I have the envelope. I've always wanted to do this. Your vitality age is...
The vitality age goes to.
Your vitality age goes to 49.
Bang on the average.
Ooh. All right, I'm just an average guy. What can I tell you?
Yeah.
It doesn't surprise me. It really doesn't. Like I said, it is the schedule that we keep. The biggest challenge for me is I come home at the end of the day, and I maybe have a half hour before my little ones go to bed. So the question is, am I going to go right into the gym and work out, or am I going to spend that time with my kids? Because they're going to be asleep when I go to work in the morning. The other challenge is a dietary thing. You're on the set for 14 hours a day. They keep bringing out this food to craft service. It's really hard not to just sit there and pick at things. So I know that there's room for improvement in that area.
Yeah, and Chris, I mean, we saw from your Vitality age, as you said, maybe finding a bit more time to get in a bit more fruit and veg, or even finding ways to exercise with the family so that you're spending time together while you're exercising would be great ways to keep working on your Vitality
Because I'm
age.
very active. I mean, I on the weekends, and I do get a few workouts during the week, but I think for me it's eating healthier, because I have a habit of wanting to eat all the comfort foods all the time, and I also have a little thing called wine that I like to drink as well. So, but it's okay. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. My spirits are good.
That's great.
We'll talk about being active. We understand that you have a very busy day ahead of you.
I do. I'm excited. I'm going to be at the John Hancock Vitality Village at Grand Central Terminal today from 11 to 2 o'clock here in New York City. And we are going to be rewarding people for making the choice today to invest in their personal mental and physical and financial wellness. So there's going to be all sorts of stations set up where people can come by, and there'll be a de-stress station. There will be a chance to talk to someone about your financial wellness, talk about how you're eating, that sort of thing. So it's a great way to kick off the whole 5 More initiative.
And Mike, you're going as well, too.
I'm absolutely heading over there. It's going to be a great day. And getting in shape, whether it's physical, emotional, or financial, it's a journey that we all have to keep going on. So we're looking forward to encouraging people to just start with small steps.
Now, we're all going to be hanging out there together, going to be having a blast. Now, for those of you watching online, we encourage you to visit jhrewardslife.com to learn more about your Vitality age and see how your healthy habits and lifestyles are impacting your life. And if you happen to be in New York City, you can come hang out with us and Chris O'Donnell. And make sure you stop by the John Hancock Vitality Village at Grand Central Terminal from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. All right, guys, we've got tons of questions rolling in on social media. Let's see if we have time to answer a few more. All right, let's go with this one. When will this life insurance be available where I live?
Well, we're rolling out products across the country right now. I think we're approved in 30 states as we speak, with more coming online all the time. So throughout 2015 and 2016, the best way is to talk to your financial representative to find out, or visit our website at jhrewardslife.com, and you'll be able to see exactly where it's approved.
Okay, let's see, we got one more here. Where can I go to find out my Vitality age?
Jeff, so anyone can go to our website, jhrewardslife.com. They can take the Vitality age calculator themselves and find out their own personal Vitality age.
All right, guys, well, that's all the time we have for questions. This has been a blast. Great having Chris here.
Great to be
here.
here.
It's been a good time. So, Chris, I understand to be at Vitality Village.
We're going to have fun. Go over to Grand
Absolutely.
Central.
All right, well, I'd like to thank all of our guests, including Mike Dowdy, Tal Gilbert, and Chris O'Donnell for spending time with us this morning, covering the new John Hancock Life Insurance with Vitality Solution and all of its great features. To our online audience, we really appreciate you joining us today. Now, if you're lucky enough to be in the New York City area and have some time today, the John Hancock and Vitality team will actually be at Grand Central Terminal in Vanderbilt Hall starting at 11 a.m., helping you get the hashtag 5MoreNow and giving out rewards to those who participate in healthy activities. So stop by, learn your own Vitality age, and most importantly, have fun. For those of you not in the New York City area who want to learn more about the John Hancock Life Insurance with Vitality product and program, or find out your Vitality age, please visit jhrewardslife.com. And of course, keep sending us those questions and comments, all things life insurance, by using that hashtag 5MoreNow. In closing, we're going to leave you with a look at the essence of the John Hancock Life Insurance with Vitality product. Until next time, I'm Jeff Rose, wishing you success on your road to physical, emotional, and financial health and well-being. Take care.
Let's talk about the power of 5. Better yet, let's talk about the power of 5 more now. 5 more minutes of sleep. 5 more glasses of water. 5 more moments to consider what's really important. 5 more in life is usually a good thing, unless we're talking about the American experience. Americans, on average, are 5 years older than their actual age, based on a set of health and wellness factors. John Hancock wants to change that. They're out to show you how a few healthy choices can help you close the gap. Sounds great, right? But how? You're not alone in this journey, and neither are we. John Hancock has come together with Vitality, the global leader in integrating wellness benefits with life insurance products. They're partnering to offer a life insurance product that rewards those who invest in their wellness. Now, simple things like exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and getting annual health screenings. The best part is that it allows you to save on your life insurance premiums and earn valuable rewards and discounts, all by simply living a healthy life. Pretty cool, huh? With just a few steps, you can improve your health and wellness, save on annual premiums, and earn valuable rewards and discounts. Let's get back 5 more. Now. Right now. Learn more about how you can help secure your financial future and support the pursuit of a healthier, longer life at jhrewardslife.com.